Hi everyone! I had this idea to try another technique I have seen done online. I haven't really investigated much of how they are doing it, but I thought it'd be just fun just to go and try it. So I have my canvas, it's 8 by 10, and I coated it with a thin layer of white paint, all the sides and edges. And then I have this cup hanging from this twine from my ceiling with a thumbtack, and I'm going to fill it up with a little bit of color, a few different colors, small amounts, poke a hole on the bottom, and just do it like a pendulum. And I've seen it done more on larger scale, so I thought it would be fun just to experiment and see what happens. So here is the black I had mixed with pewter. I have a little bit of that left. I'm just going to start pouring in just small amounts. Hopefully all my poking the one hole will work. We'll find out with gravity and everything. Let's see here. That was the pink. It's mixed with several different shades. This is the blue ice. I think I might need to clean that up. Here's the 24 karat gold Stucco art. Okay, I'm just going to do one small layer of each. Gonna adjust it. I haven't tried this out yet, so this is an experiment on camera as we go. Let's see what happens. I'm going to see if I can clean this up a little bit from those drips. And while I'm doing that, feel free to subscribe to our channel, ring the bell so you get notified when we get videos uploaded, and comment, send me a message, let me know what you think we should try, and I'll be more than happy to do my best to see what we can do. I love experimenting and playing and trying new things. Also, my website, deserthippiearts.com. I do have some free resources to download in my store. I have some of my paintings available to purchase. And I do have a book that I wrote. Took me a little bit of time to work, but I have several of the beginning techniques. The flip cup, the swipe, the dirty pour, the tree ring, the puddle pour, the dip pour, all those. I have detailed instructions and some couple pretty consistent pouring recipes, pouring medium recipes. And I cover consistency, how much paint to use on a canvas, etc. How to clean and seal, and how to put a nice backing on it too. So that's definitely worth looking into. And I have it on sale right now as of the time of this video. It's 50% off. So it's definitely worth looking into, and you can print out those pages too to help you. And as always, give me a call, or send me a message rather, and if you have questions, and I'll do what I can to help you out. Okay, so I got that cleaned up pretty good. I need my little poking stick on the bottom. Let me see where did I? Okay, got my push pin, found it. It's just a clear thumbtack. Oh, there it goes. I'm going to put a hole in it in the bottom. Hopefully just one hole will work. We'll see. We're going to see what happens. I'm going to let it drip off this side right here. Huh, I might need 2 holes. Okay, let me try another one. It's very slowly. Let me see if I can make this one just come out a little bigger. Huh. just want a small, steady stream. Wants to come out. Oh, this one's dripping out. I made the hole bigger. I think what I have to do is get a larger, like a awl or something. Oh, there we go. Now it's just drippy. But that's essentially what we want. Okay, I'm just gonna try it, see what happens. And I'm gonna push it. Okay. It's definitely interesting. I'm gonna see if I can just make it a bigger hole. Okay. It's actually pretty cool how it puddled out. Okay, I'm going to try this a different way now. I made the hole. I'm going to pour some more paint in it. Oh, one color. Pink. Blue. Gold. Oh, let's see what happens with this. Oh, there you go. Delightfully messy fun. Definitely a bigger hole. Okay. That's really cool. I'm going to do it again. Let's do this. Pour a little bit of more paint in it because I got a larger hole in it. That's a lot more paint. So, you know what? I wonder. I see some people kind of stirring their paints. I've never done it. I'm just going to try it. Okay. Here we go. Let's see what happens with this. Definitely black dominating again. So now, let's try it with pink. This is pretty cool and fun. What I think I'll do for the next one is I'm going to find a plastic cup. See if I can get the hole pre-made. Here's some gold. And try it that way. And I don't have any additive in my paint right now. I did give them a really good mix before I did this video. And actually might try some of this dark blue. I feel like I'm doing line art like in elementary school. It's pretty fun. I do think I need a bigger canvas. Ordered some 10 by 10 canvases. So I think this will be excellent, but this is good for an experiment and a try. Even get it working. Okay, here's a little bit of red. Put some of that in, and then I'm going to tilt it. Well, maybe I will. It's not wanting to come out. Maybe it's too little of a bit. There we go. Just use that red. Give it a little swing. And then after this, I might give it a little heat right now. Pop out some that is really turning out pretty awesome and cool. Starting to love line art. Okay, so now I'm going to take this out. I'm going to set the cord to the side. And then I'm going to, ooh, a lot of paint, huh? Going to do some tilting, see what we can do with it. It is an experiment after all. I have no big plans for it. But I do feel that my paper on the bottom is going to have some really fun designs on it, so I'm going to try to keep that too. Huh, look at this. Oops, I don't like those stretchy lines right there. Just going to keep stretching it this way because the other way is just going to make, let me show you real quick. Look at those stretchy lines. A little trippy 1960. Late 1960s blending with the 70s, right? Or maybe we'll call this 1980s jive. Has the gold, the lines. Oh, look at those blue. Look at that blue starting to pop up right there. Okay, we'll just keep going this way. Huh, it's actually wanting to stop moving. It's slowing down. I don't know if you can see this way. Does that look like a puppy right there? Look at that, right there. Time warp. Maybe that's what I'll call this one. I think I'll just leave it right there. Let it dry. So there you go. That was my first experiment with the pendulum. Not too bad. I definitely think I need to research some more things, get a better container, a bigger hole, and I'll be doing some more experiments with this. But that was my first one. Not a total fail. Definitely different and definitely worth getting into some more. So I hope you enjoyed this little video. Subscribe to our channel, ring the bell, and comment and let me know what you think. Hope you're having a good day. Bye!